The humans were dragged into the council chambers, barely alive. Charred and broken, they were dropped onto the floor, letting out weak whimpers. The council members held photos of the ambassadorial delegation, trying to match the images to the shattered bodies before them, but it was impossible to tell who was who. Guards hoisted the survivors, forcing them to their knees. A few screamed as their broken bones gave way, then passed out from the sheer pain. The rest were lifeless, their heads drooping. Guard grabbed one of the heads to lift it, but as he did, the severely burned skin simply peeled away, revealing the horror beneath. What could have happened to them out there? What kind of force could do this? We're about to find out. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what comes next. Phantom Static, where the phantoms speak through the static.